Hey, how you guys doing? Hey, my name is Mario Burr here, and in this video, what I'm here to do is to show you how to empower yourself. Empower yourself against who? Anyone that may try to take advantage of you. Now, before I go into that, let me just share a little background about myself, okay? First and foremost, I'm recently married. Just bought my first beautiful home, which is our dream home, okay? And let me just let you know, we went through some stuff when it comes to buying this home. And if we haven't empowered ourselves, we wouldn't be able to get the home that we got. Okay, because the truth of the matter is, bad things happen to good people, and there's people out there that prey on average people like ourselves. Okay, and that's the reason why I thank God that we came across the information that I'm going to share with you in this video that empowered, my wife and I to not to be taken advantage of. Okay, we were able to push back, by accessing our empowerment. How? We have access to an attorney. And you may be thinking, why do I need an attorney? I don't have a home. I don't, or I never bought a home, or I'm only renting, or whatever reason that may come to your mind. You probably saying, I don't need an attorney, or I don't break the law. Why do I need an attorney? I don't get into trouble. Well, here's the truth of the matter. My wife and I don't either. Now, my wife is a state trooper, okay? And the information that we access wasn't through her resources. It was through some resources that was given to me, and I brought it to her attention, and we accessed them, and it empowered us, and the results were amazing. Hadn't we had the information that I'm going to share with you in this video, we wouldn't be in this big, beautiful home that we're in right now, okay? Now, understand this, guys. Please pay very close attention to what I'm going to share with you. You probably have in your mind that you never used an attorney before. You can't afford an attorney, okay? That's okay. That's why I'm shooting this video for you, all right? Now, you have used an attorney, all right? Let me show you how, okay? If you have a cell phone, okay, you signed a contract for that cell phone. If you purchased a car, you signed a contract for that car. If you bought a home, if you rent a home, you sign contracts for these things. A loan, student loans. Must I go any further? Those, through those contracts that you signed, those were attorneys that put those together. But they weren't your attorneys. They were those companies' attorneys. Now, I'm going to show you through a diagram. I have a pen, I have my marker here, and this is going to bring this all home. You're going to understand it very clearly after seeing this, guys. Now, watch this real quick. All right? I'm going to put a cross. I'm going to draw a line here. I want you to see this very clearly, okay? I'm going to draw a line there. I'm going to make a cross. And there. Right here to the left is going to be you, okay? This is you. I'm going to draw a stick figure. Bam, 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 bam. This is you, okay? To the right, what we want to put is a dollar sign, okay? What we want to write is your money, all right? Your money, okay? All right, down below, what we want to do is we want to name out a few services that you pay every month, okay? So when you get paid, what's the first thing you probably pay? You probably pay your mortgage or your rent. So we could write mortgage / rent here. Number 2, you probably pay your car payments, cars and or cell phones, okay? Food, I'm probably got them all out of order, whatever, okay? Utilities, okay, let's put utilities, all right, what else? You put fuel in your vehicles, all right, okay, you pay your credit cards, or credit card, whatever, your insurance, and you get the point, okay, all right? Now, what we want to do is, over here, in this area, we want to write attorney, okay? That ATT for attorney. That's what we got there, all right? So, check this out, guys. Now, this is you, this is your money, and this is all the services that you pay for each and every month. Now, in order for you to sign up for a lot of these services, you had to, for the mortgage, you had to sign contracts and all these things. These are service agreements. Okay. Now, watch this, guys. Watch this. Each and every month that you pay these people for their services, your money, okay, you pay them for your services. Guess what they do? They put just a little bit to their attorneys. Okay. Each month that you pay on your cell phone agreement, trust me, a little bit of that goes to an attorney that they have on retainer. All right. So, and so forth. Now, you mess up with any of these contracts. You try to break any of these contracts. Trust me, you're going to get a call. You're going to get a letter or something from these companies' attorneys. Now, who are these attorneys working? Are they working on your behalf? Are they working on your behalf, or are they working on this company's behalf? They're working on the company's behalf. They use your money to pay these attorneys to go against you. Okay? That's how that works. So when these things happen, when you know you're being taken advantage of, okay, which these companies, which this happens, you know, bad things happen to good people. They try to take advantage of people. We know that happens, okay? Wouldn't it be wise for you to invest a little bit each month into an attorney or a law firm to use against these people or anyone that try to take advantage of you? Okay? So before you sign another contract, wouldn't it be wise to sit back and say, hold on, wait a minute. Before I sign this, let me run this past my attorney. Or let me take a look at this so I can make sure I'm not being taken advantage of, because this happens all the time. Have you ever signed things that you wish you wouldn't have signed that bit you in the butt later? Exactly. Okay? How about, have you ever been taken advantage of? Wouldn't it be nice to be able to get on the phone? Hey, let me call my attorney about this right here. You know, this doesn't sound right. You know, this insurance company isn't, you know, honoring what they said. This warranty, they're not honoring the warranty of what they said they was going to honor. Let me get on the phone, call my attorney. Wouldn't it be nice to have that attorney to shoot a letter out to that company? See how much more power you have then. Exactly. And much, much more. Now, that's just a little bit of the of what I wanted to share with you. Now, if you want a full overview of what I'm talking about here, click the link down below, because this happened to my wife and I, and that was just one small area about, you know, us buying our home. Okay, I told you my wife is a state trooper, and the resources came from me. All right, that I was able to access because I always had this. I always had attorneys on retainer, and how I was able to afford it for $17 a month, $19.95, $19.95 a month, either or, whatever. That's how I've done it. Okay, so click the link down below. Check it out.